But I think what we have seen is just about the same with most other places we have visited. I keep saying it. We've invested so much resources in some of this infrastructure, and the media being one of such. Without the media, you can imagine how the society will survive. And I think the onus is on us to see how we can prioritize the resources we have and see the areas we can address to quickly bring some of these media houses back to what we expect them to be. I believe development all starts from when people are well informed, when people get the right perspectives of things that happen, and of course we know the force multiplier effect of having a vibrant and effective media system. If we have the money, if we have the resources, I can assure you that in 6 months we'll be able to get everything done. But haven't gone round. I think I've directed the Permanent Secretary, Information and Communication, to work out a plan. We have something in the budget which we believe we can throw in there. You know, that the equipment at 30 years old doesn't mean they ought to be bad, but it's just our habits too. And this is where I have to ask that as we're able to get funds to replace some of this equipment, those of us who are managing, who are using them, we must also show some commitment in ensuring that you carry out preventive maintenance as well as the other necessary maintenance that can give this equipment the desired lifespan.
We started this station with 10 kilowatts transmitter, but along the line we had some issues at the transmitter project. That was 2016. It happened around 2013 was when the transmitter project. We started operating with 1,500 kilowatt transmitter as a media home to depending when we release equipment. But from there to now, this transmitter is made up of a 4 pair of 2,500 kilowatts each with a prime amplifier of 280 watts. When we had those issues, we didn't have any other alternative but to resort to using one of the prime amplifiers as a transmitter. And that's why we're here. To the glory of God, we had about our coming. And we know that you are the talk and do administrator. We're happy to have you here, and we're also happy to have our permanent secretary. Indeed, we're grateful and happy. My name is Ibas.
You want to support this?
When we have those two, they are not working. So the PhD is just too nice, and we're using those two. But this one's are better.
The transmission in 99.1 is generated there, and this is where the coverage and everything is going on. This was our first transmission. When we started the station, this was the first transmission. After some time, with age, take product. Later on, we switch over to this one. This is Harris, the match product. This one is another, it's called the company, the new product. We spent it for about 18 years to back up to 80. So later on, we sold back and then went back to this other one. We bought this other one that this is the one we're using now. Presently, that is on now. So it's on now. After making the storage to be I sold about 18 years ago.
Thank you.
It's me. Your Excellency, this is our life studio. Everything you see here, the second part of it is what is in that carton. It's what is in that carton. The river management will try as much as possible to make sure that it's not.
This is
you great rivers people. We are in the live studio. I've worked here for 34 years, 7 months. From my inception here, no governor have entered this place on official visits. So it's a thing of joy to us that you are the first person to break that yoke. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
I'm already here, so that's good news. Okay.
Your Excellency.
Yes. Thank you.
Miss
Patience
Baron, the announcer, here, Obama.
All the equipment we have for broadcasting and television and the print. So we've seen what we have.
We have a wonderful. Like somebody digitize it, within it, and in like that is why